Hello students, welcome to Oxford Public Secondary School online classes. Today we are study about the excretory system. Before this, in this lesson you have studied the digestive system, respiratory system, now circulatory system, and now we are going to the excretory system. Now the first thing, excretory system. What is excretory system? The system which is made up of the organs which are responsible for excretion of the wastage from the body. Simply, we are start this word excretory system, that is came from the word excretion. Excretion. Now the words, what is the meaning of excretion and why it is necessary? Excretion, that is the definition can be given, the process of removing wastage produced in our body is called excretion. Now the second question comes that why excretion is necessary. As we know that when we take the food to get the energy, then this food goes under digestion, then the complex food substances break down into the simple substances, and as a resultant the many waste products are also produced, like during the respiration when we take the oxygen, right, this oxygen oxidize the food and release the energy, as a resultant the waste that is produced CO2. Like this, during the digestion of food, many wastage are also produced, and the many wastage which are the most dangerous produced wastage are the nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste, here we will discuss the nitrogenous waste, especially the nitrogenous waste produced in our body. There are the three types of nitrogenous waste. These are, first is ammonia. Ammonia that is produced in our body, that is the most poisonous substance. If it is accumulated in our body, then it leaving the poisonous effect on our body. That's why it is necessary to remove this nitrogenous wastage. Ammonia, these nitrogenous wastage, right, removed in the form of ammonia. Second, it is also removed in the form of urea. And third one, it is also removed in the form of uric acid. According to this removal process, the animals can be divided into the three categories. These three categories of animals are, first of all we come to the animals, right, which remove the ammonia are known as the ammonotelic. Ammonotelic, simply we can say animals remove, or simply we can say excrete ammonia are known as ammonotelic. And this process is known as ammonotelism. and the process is known as ammonotase. For example, ammonotase most of the aquatic animals like bony fishes, aquatic insects, these shows the ammonotelic excretion method. Why these aquatic animals or the bony fishes only shows this one? The reason for that, because the ammonia that is soluble in water dissolve हो जाता है water के अंदर, and to remove this ammonia from the body, actually the most, or you can say the more amount of water is required. That's why the ammonia mostly that is dissolved in water, and during the excretion it is excreted by the aquatic animals, especially the bony fishes and the aquatic insects are the example of this one. Second one, we came to the animals which remove the urea are known as the ureotelic animals. Second one is came to the ureotelic. What are ureotelic? Simply we can say animals excrete urea, as waste, excrete urea as waste are called ureotelic. And the process of removing or excrete urea is called ureotalysis. The third category came, that is, and the example of the ureotelic organism are, or the animals are, mostly mammals. Mammals, we know that the mammals स्तनधारी, like the human being is also a mammal. And terrestrial amphibians. Amphibians, also the marine fishes. Marine fishes, the word marine that is came from the seawater. Now the third category, we know that third category we now the third category, that is the ureotelic. What is ureotelic? Third one is ureotelic, already we have discussed, and the third one is uricotelic. That is the third one is uricotelic. Simply, like the previous two definitions, we can say, right, the organisms of the animals animals which excrete uric acid, which excrete uric acid as a wastage, as waste, or simply waste, we can say the nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste are known as uricotalic. Uricotalic. And the process of removing or excrete uric acid is called uricotalism. The example of uricotalism are the birds, reptiles, etc. Now the ammonia, already we have discussed, so this one ammonia that is formed as the resultant of the urea, that is formed by the as the resultant of the metabolic activities, all the nitrogenous substance under the metabolic activities, the ammonia is formed. This is the highly poisonous substance. If this ammonia accumulate in our body, then having the poisonous effect on our body. That's why it is very compulsory to remove this wastage right from the body. While aquatic animals which live in water, that's why the ammonia that dissolve in water and easily removed by the aquatic animals in the form of directly in the form of ammonia. That's why we just call them ammonotelic. But the urea, to excrete the urea, actually the more water is needed. Sorry, we can say ammonia need the maximum water, then little water is needed to remove the urea, especially if we are talking about the mammals. The mammals, right, excrete the nitrogenous wastage in the form of urea. But how? First of the nitrogenous wastage, that is ammonia, goes to the liver. In human beings की अपन बात करते हैं तो ह्यूमन बींग्स में क्या होगा, ये अमोनिया कहाँ जाएगा, लीवर में. लीवर इसको किस में कन्वर्ट कर देगा, यूरिया में. और यूरिया फिर जाती है राइट ब्लड के थ्रू, राइट इट्स रीचेस टू द किडनी, और किडनी फिर इसको फिल्टर करके बॉडी से बाहर निकाल देगा. राइट. एंड थर्ड वन इज नॉन एज द यूरिक एसिड. तो वेस्टेज दैट इज रिमूव्ड राइट फ्रॉम द यूरिक एसिड in the form of uric acid, we study under the uricotalic. The words, especially the animals which remove the uric acid, you can say they having the very little quantity of water in their body. That's why they excrete the nitrogenous wastage in the form of uric acid. Just like the birds you have seen in the reptiles, right, they excrete this nitrogenous wastage in the form of pellets, जिसको बोलते हैं चिड़िया बीट कर देती है, तो इस बीट की या इसकी फॉर्म में इसको निकालती है, क्योंकि उसमें पानी का लॉस जो होता है, राइट, द लॉस ऑफ द वाटर इज मिनिमम. नाउ स्पेशली एज we have to study the excretory system, especially the urea in animal, because we know that the human being, that is complex body of the animals, and to remove this urea we having the special system right in our body that is known as the excretory system. This excretory system, here is the diagram of the excretory system. The excretory system is mainly made up of the following organs. These system, excretory system, made up of the following organs, and these organs we can say the main important part, that is the kidney. Kidney second part we can say, that is the kidney के बाद जाता है हमारा kidney, that is the urinary, sorry, that is ureter. थर्ड इज यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, वी कैन से, इसको नाम दे देते हैं हम, दैट इज द फर्स्ट, हियर इट इज सेकेंड, हियर इट इज थर्ड, हियर इट इज फोर्थ. थर्ड, दैट इज द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर. And the fourth one is urethra. Kidney. Okay, we start. The main excretory parts of excretory system are, again we are writing here that the one pair of kidney. Kidney की अपन बात करते हैं. Kidney, that is the main excretory organ. We can say it is main excretory organ. In human beings, if we say in human beings, they are the one pair of kidney, that is known as the right kidney and left kidney. साइज की अपन बात करते हैं. व्हाट इज द साइज ऑफ द किडनी? द साइज ऑफ द किडनी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन से इट्स लेंथ. लेंथ की अपन बात करते हैं किडनी, दैट इज 10 to 12 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग. द लेंथ इज 10 to 12 सेंटीमीटर. इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द width, then the width that is goes to the 5 to 7 centimeter, that is goes to the 5 to 7 centimeter. And we are saying that the thickness, thick, that is 2 to 3 centimeter. If we see the location where it is situated, right, that is known as the location. कहाँ पर होती है? So it is located just below stomach, below stomach, in lumbar region, in lumbar region, in lower abdomen. On either side of backbone. Right, so it is lie between, right, this is the position, we can say just below the stomach, in the lumbar region, and either side, one बैकबोन के इधर की साइड, एक लेफ्ट साइड में और एक राइट साइड में, राइट इन डोर्सल पोर्शन मीन्स द बैक साइड में. सो द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द किडनी इज टू फिल्ट्रेशन. देन वी कैन से इफ व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द किडनी, व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ किडनी? Simply we can say the main function of the kidney to filter the urea from the blood. The main function is filtration of urea from blood. And after the filtration, the urea blood is filtered and the urea remains right in the kidney, that goes right into the ureter. Then after in the form of urine, it is reaches to the urinary bladder. Here it is collected. When the urinary bladder is completely filled with the urine, then the message came from the brain. Here the muscles of the urinary bladder will concentrate, and this create the pressure on the urethra. Urethra having the sphincter, that is the round shape muscles हैं, which are, when the message goes, then these muscles जिनको बोल देते हैं लास्ट में sphincter, right? So these muscles get relaxed. As a resultant, the urethra कैसे हो जाएगा, अपना ओपन हो जाएगा, and the urine is removed outside the body. So simply now this one, now come to the next part. Further we will discuss it right in the properly what is the physiology, how does the excretory system work. So first this is the about the kidney. Actually now the second one is ureter. यूरेटर की अपन बात करते हैं. देयर इज द वन पेयर ऑफ यूरेटर. वन पेयर ऑफ यूरेटर that is came from the each kidney. Each ureter, right, bring the urine from the urine collecting duct, right, and these combined in the muscular bag, right, which is known as the main work, or sorry we can say the function की अपन बात करते हैं. What is the function of the ureter? That is bring urine from kidney to urinary bladder. And next part we came to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, this is the muscular bag. We can say this is कैसा है आपका muscular bag. In which both the ureters open in this one. The muscles, actually you can say it is the muscular bag, right, which store the urine, right, temporary it store the urine. When it is completely filled, then what happens, the message reaches through the nerves, right, to the urinary bladder. The muscles get contraction and the pressure is created, right, as a resultant the urine, right, goes to the urethra. ये urethra then having the last end of the urethra having the इंस्फिंक्टर होते हैं जो क्या करेगा, कंट्रोल करेगा किसी भी चीज़ को. जब इंस्फिंक्टर की मसल्स रिलैक्स होती हैं तो ये ओपन हो जाएगा और यूरिन इज रिमूव. और जब ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होती हैं तो ये टेम्परेरी इसको स्टोर रखता है. तो ये जनरली एक सिंपल अपन बात करते हैं. दीज आर द सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर, राइट, द मेन पार्ट्स ऑफ अवर एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. हाउ डज द ब्लड रीचेस टू द किडनी? उसके लिए रेस्पॉन्सिबल है रीनल आर्टरी. Artery, we know that the word renal means the kidney. Renal words का मतलब ही होता है kidney. And artery, right, the blood vessels, the renal, we can say the renal word, The word renal means we can say it is the kidney. Artery, and the artery, that is artery means the blood vessels which carry the blood from heart to the organ, carry blood from heart to organ. Here is renal vein. Renal means that is the again kidney, and the vein, that is again we can say vein. Vein means carry blood. Carry blood कहाँ से लेके जाएगा? Organ to the heart. Carry blood from organ to heart. Now we will study and discuss in next topic the structure of kidney. What are the main parts of the kidney and how does kidney work? Till then, just practice to make the diagram, and just a simple question is asking in the example and the definitions of a monotelic, ureotelic. Then the example and its definition you should learn, and just try to make the diagram. The diagram should be neat and clean, and the bell level should be right. That is more important in bio section. So till then, tomorrow we will discuss further. Again we will discuss in details about the structure of kidney, the mechanism of kidney, how does the urea is formed. So till then, just practiced, and if you having problem, then you can ask or you can mention in the comment box. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.